The Kaffir Lime, Citrus hystrix, a small green citrus fruit native to Southeast Asia, is renowned not only for its distinctive aroma and flavor but also for its impressive array of health benefits. Both the fruit and its leaves are rich in essential oils, antioxidants, and bioactive compounds that support physical and mental well-being. While commonly used in traditional Asian cuisines and natural remedies, modern science is increasingly recognizing the therapeutic potential of Kaffir lime. Here are the top 10 health benefits of this remarkable fruit. Number 1. Boosts immune system function. Kaffir lime is packed with vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that strengthens the immune system by enhancing the production and function of white blood cells. These cells are the body's first line of defense against pathogens like bacteria, viruses, and fungi. The fruit's essential oils, particularly limonene and citronellol, also exhibit antimicrobial properties that can inhibit the growth of harmful microorganisms. Regular consumption of Kaffir lime juice or tea can therefore help reduce the risk of infections, colds, and flu while promoting faster recovery from illnesses. Number 2. Promotes healthy digestion. Traditionally, Kaffir lime has been used as a digestive aid across Southeast Asia. The fruit and its leaves stimulate the secretion of digestive enzymes, which helps the body break down food more efficiently. Its slightly acidic juice balances stomach acidity and may relieve common gastrointestinal complaints such as bloating, constipation, and indigestion. Additionally, the aromatic oils in Kaffir lime leaves have mild carminative properties, helping to expel excess gas and soothe the intestinal tract. Drinking a warm infusion made from the leaves or rind can provide natural digestive relief after a heavy meal. Number 3. Supports oral health and freshens breath. The antimicrobial and antibacterial qualities of Kaffir lime make it an effective natural remedy for oral hygiene. The essential oils, when diluted, can help kill harmful bacteria that cause bad breath, gum infections, and tooth decay. In many traditional practices, the rind of Kaffir lime was used as a natural mouth cleanser or rubbed on gums to maintain oral health. Some modern herbal toothpastes and mouthwashes even include Kaffir lime oil as an active ingredient. Its fresh, citrusy aroma also provides a clean, invigorating scent that combats unpleasant mouth odors naturally. Number 4. Improves skin health and delays aging. Kaffir lime is a treasure trove of antioxidants, such as flavonoids, vitamin C, and limonoids, which play a key role in protecting the skin from oxidative stress. Free radicals from UV rays and pollution can accelerate aging, leading to wrinkles, dark spots, and loss of elasticity. Applying diluted Kaffir lime essential oil or using skincare products infused with its extract can help tone the skin, minimize acne, and promote a youthful glow. The antibacterial nature of the oil can also prevent acne breakouts by reducing bacterial growth on the skin. Additionally, Kaffir lime's natural astringent properties help tighten pores and enhance skin firmness. Number 5. Enhances hair and scalp health. For centuries, Kaffir lime has been a popular ingredient in traditional hair care rituals, especially in Thailand and Indonesia. Its juice and leaves are believed to strengthen hair roots, reduce dandruff, and improve overall scalp health. The citric acid in the fruit helps remove excess oil, dirt, and buildup from the scalp, while its antimicrobial compounds prevent fungal infections that can cause dandruff or irritation. Kaffir lime oil can be mixed with coconut or olive oil and massaged into the scalp to stimulate blood circulation, nourish hair follicles, and promote hair growth. Regular use can leave the hair shiny, smooth, and free from scalp issues. Number 6. Detoxifies the body naturally. Kaffir lime is often used in detox regimens because of its ability to support liver function and aid in the elimination of toxins from the body. The antioxidants and citric acid present in the fruit assist the liver in neutralizing harmful compounds and enhancing the body's natural detoxification processes. Drinking diluted Kaffir lime juice or tea can help cleanse the digestive tract and flush out waste products, promoting better metabolism and kidney health. Furthermore, the fruit's diuretic properties encourage increased urination, which helps the body remove excess salts, water, and toxins efficiently. Number 7. Reduces stress and anxiety. The refreshing scent of Kaffir lime essential oil has a calming and uplifting effect on the mind. Aromatherapy practitioners often use this oil to reduce stress, anxiety, and mental fatigue. Inhaling the aroma can help stimulate the limbic system, the part of the brain associated with emotions and memory, promoting relaxation and improving mood. Some studies suggest that kaffir lime oil may help reduce levels of the stress hormone cortisol, fostering a sense of tranquility. Adding a few drops of the oil to a diffuser, warm bath, or massage oil can create a soothing atmosphere that supports emotional well-being and mental clarity. Number 8. Supports cardiovascular health. The powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds found in kaffir lime contribute to a healthier heart and circulatory system. These compounds help prevent the oxidation of LDL, bad cholesterol, which can lead to plaque buildup and arterial blockages. By maintaining healthier cholesterol levels, kaffir lime may reduce the risk of atherosclerosis, heart attack, and stroke. Furthermore, the potassium content in the fruit assists in regulating blood pressure by relaxing blood vessels and promoting proper fluid balance. Including kaffir lime in the diet, through teas, juices, or culinary dishes, can therefore support long-term cardiovascular health. Number 9. Fights inflammation and relieves pain. Kaffir lime's essential oils contain citronellol and limonene, compounds known for their potent anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. These natural substances can help alleviate symptoms of arthritis, muscle pain, headaches, and other inflammatory conditions. In traditional medicine, kaffir lime leaf compresses or oil-infused balms were applied topically to soothe sore muscles and joints. The oil's cooling and anti-swelling effects make it a useful natural alternative to chemical pain relievers. Drinking kaffir lime leaf tea or adding a few drops of the essential oil, properly diluted, to a massage blend can provide comfort for chronic pain sufferers and those recovering from physical strain. Number 10. Aids in weight management and metabolism. Kaffir lime can be a beneficial addition to a weight management plan due to its metabolism boosting and detoxifying properties. The citric acid in the fruit enhances metabolic processes, helping the body burn fat more efficiently. Meanwhile, the high antioxidant content supports proper digestion and energy utilization, reducing fat accumulation. Drinking warm kaffir lime water before meals can help suppress appetite slightly and improve digestion, making it easier to maintain portion control. Moreover, the invigorating aroma of kaffir lime may curb emotional eating by reducing stress-related cravings, making it a valuable natural ally in healthy weight loss efforts. Kaffir lime is far more than just a fragrant ingredient in Southeast Asian cuisine. It's a powerhouse of health-promoting nutrients and compounds. From strengthening the immune system and improving skin health to supporting digestion and reducing stress, the fruit and its leaves offer a wide spectrum of benefits. Its versatility allows it to be used in teas, essential oils, hair and skin treatments, and even household cleaning solutions. However, as with any natural remedy, moderation is key. Concentrated essential oils should always be diluted before use, and excessive consumption of the raw juice may irritate sensitive stomachs due to its acidity. Incorporating kaffir lime into your daily routine, whether through cooking, aromatherapy, or natural skincare, can lead to noticeable improvements in physical vitality and mental balance. This vibrant green fruit is a timeless reminder of how nature provides simple yet profound tools to maintain health and harmony in our lives. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.